Stay tuned throughout the video to know what the surprise for you guys is. And riders, so today I just wanted to make a normal vlog of what we're gonna do today. So it's around 3:34 I guess right now. So we're just going to this place called Lot Like Creeps in Whitefield. It's like a really nice place. Me and my boys always chill around there half of the time throughout the week, and so we just thought we'd just go there and chill around with friends for today. And so the owner of the place also told to just take a small video about the place, and I just wanted to show you the place and show you how amazing is the place, as it's like a small hidden place in Whitefield and not many people go there. So I just want to show you the place and show how nice the place is, and the food, guys, it's amazing. I'll be trying out a few stuff today and show you guys how it is. And guys, the owner spoke to me and we have a small thing for you guys also at the end of the video, so just stay tuned throughout the video to know what the surprise for you guys is. And right now me and Uday are going from here. I am taking the RC and Uday is getting his bullet, and the rest of the boys are already there I guess till now. I'm already getting a few calls already, so I'll be going there and I'll talk to you guys of how the place is and show you guys how nice is the place. And let me know down below in the comment section if you guys like the place or how it is or any improvements needed or anything. So yeah, I'll catch you guys as soon as I reach there. Traffic, guys. So much of traffic is there even in this type of situation. It doesn't even feel like the lockdown like anything. It's just so normal. Everyone are on the roads half the time. It's just like the old day, guys. The traffic near Reform Signal is just like the old days. It literally takes you to 2 to 3 like signals to like just cross the place. There's so much of traffic, and guys, I think RC390 is one of the worst bikes for the city, guys. It gives you the worst mileage. I think it gives you a mileage of around 18 to 24 in the city. Yeah, I know it's kind of funny, but yeah, it actually gives that much because the gear ratio is so low. Like, you'll only be stuck in the first or second gear throughout the city, because in the second gear you almost touch around 45 to 50 to 60 range. And so guys, that's the place where we're going. We have to just take a U-turn right after the Reform Signal, like right the first U-turn you have to take. And guys, just check out the turning radius on the bike. And look at Uday, he just takes half the thing and he just goes off. RC390 has one of the worst turning radius also. Yeah, obviously, just because it's a fully fed vehicle. So it's the first left after the U-turn. And the place is right around the corner over there in the left side. So yeah, I'll just show you guys how nice is the place. And Uday will be taking a few montages of the place, and you guys can just look at how amazing is the place. And yeah, I can already see Varun standing for me at the end of the place. And a few boys are already there. I can see Abhimanyu's bike. So yeah, I'll just go park it inside and I'll let you know how nice is the place.
So guys, we just came to our Adda. So this is like somewhere near Whitefield, a road where it's really quiet and very peaceful. A lot of trees around and it's very peaceful. So we keep coming here at least once a week. So guys, you won't believe me how tasty the food is over here. Like, it's just amazing. So I asked Bapan if he could make a few dishes for us so we can show you people and make you also hungry. But the food is crazy, and he told, why not? He'll make it. So I was like, okay, we'll shoot the video and we'll do it. Man, but the food, like, I'm already looking at it and it's so tasty. I just feel like eating. And guys, trust me, I was thinking about it all this while, like, to make this channel a food channel, but then, bikes, but still food is very necessary. And, it's becoming true.
So guys, our man Bapan has made us an amazing barbecue paneer for us. He's a really nice guy and this looks really tasty. I didn't know the vlog would become a food channel this quick, but it looks really nice. So let me just taste and let you know how it is. It's really tasty guys, it's a must try. It's really tasty. I didn't know SD Rider Tube would become a food vlog so soon. But trust me guys, food vlogs, it's amazing. You'll enjoy it a lot. And guys, suppose you guys come to this place, you guys must try this thing. It's veg and it's amazing. So guys, our man Bapan is making a peri peri chicken one for us to taste it and all. And the place is so hygienic, there's nothing, he's wearing gloves, mask, all the workers all also wear the gloves and the mask. This place is completely hygienic. They sanitize the place every day. And the food is amazing guys, and he's trying out new flavors and all, he's testing them out. And whatever he makes, the flavor and the combo, whatever he keeps is amazing. And the pricings are also quite decent itself. And trust me guys, suppose you guys come here, you can try the barbecue paneer or the peri peri chicken. You guys would love it, trust me. So guys, Rakshit is eating the amazing cheesy peri peri chicken right now. So Rakshit, eat and let us know how it is.
I'll taste it right now, okay?
It's very cheesy.
Yeah, fucking
Okay, how's it?
crazy, man.
It's crazy, huh? Yeah. Guys, if you guys are non-vegetarians, you guys can check out the peri peri chicken and it's amazing guys. I've eaten it before and Rakshit is trying it for the first time. So guys, they made this amazing Nutella banana with the chocolate on top of it, and it looks really nice guys. I've already shot a video of the way it looks and all, and the presentation is literally, I can see Uday drooling behind the camera right now. And Uday, I gotta eat it right now. Uday,
Continue.
I gotta eat it right now. So yeah guys, I'll just taste it and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. It's amazing guys, I'm on a diet, but you can't resist this type of thing, trust
That
me.
is the reason I'm not eating.
You can't resist this type of stuff, but it's amazing guys. You guys must try this when you guys come over here. Trust me guys, I've been to many other places, but this type of taste you don't get it anywhere else.
And they can customize it.
And if you guys want to customize it with whatever you guys like strawberries or something on top of it, just tell it to Bapan. He's a really friendly guy. He's the manager and he'll definitely make whatever you like on top of it. So guys, this Bapan, the owner of the place, and he's a really friendly person. He runs this whole place. And guys, this Kushi, the manager of the place, and this place is near Whitefield itself. The road whatever they chose is a really silent road. You get an amazing peace of mind whenever you come here. And the best part about this place is whatever food you want, you just have to tell the person of how you want to customize the food, and they would reach your expectations, or they would even make it more tastier. Because Our boys keep coming here every day, and the way they treat us is they're really friendly. They understand us. Kushi is always with us half the time. And Bapan makes amazing food, guys. He's making his own new menu right now, and he's trying out this all new flavors. And trust me, guys, it's a really nice place, and you guys must try this place. And he's also gave us a small discount if you guys come from our side. If you guys tell him that you guys are from ST Rider Tube, or if you guys just tell the code ST Rider Tube, he will definitely give you guys a 10% off. And he's a really friendly guy. And the main part why people keep coming here is this place is really open, a really peaceful place to chill around with your friends. And it's crazy, guys. You guys must try this place. I'll link the place down in the description, and you guys can check out the place.
So guys, we're heading back home right now. We just left the place and I think it's around 6:30 right now. And guys, the food was amazing, and I just wanted to show you guys how nice the food is over there and how nice the place is. It's a very chill place, guys. And the best part about today eating food was looking at Uday drool behind the camera. The best part about food vlogs is the camera guy drooling right behind it, and Uday has been telling me for a while, saying that Anna, let's make the channel a little food vlog channel, it'll be fun and all. And I used to always think like it's a complete biking channel, but yeah guys, trust me, food vlogs are actually quite fun. And guys, if you guys actually come here, just try using the code. The code is ST Rider Tube, and you guys will definitely get 10% off. And if you guys enjoyed the food, let me know in the comment section, or you guys can just directly DM me on Instagram. And if you guys like the video and want to see more food videos like this in different places and famous places, let me know. And if you guys like the video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe the channel. And thank you.
So guys, we are back home, and I think I should have ate one more bite, but let's ask Anna how the food is. Anna, how was the food?
First, you go get the tablet for dizziness, Ra.
Why?
The amount you're shaking the phone while vlogging, they'll get dizzy in the vlog. Idiot.
Say that it feels right.